Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In this video, we'll talk about how to clean vinyl plank flooring without the risk of damaging it to leave you with a beautiful floor. Make sure to stick around to the end for that. Here are some tips on how to clean vinyl plank flooring, starting with daily cleaning. Before using any mist or solution on these floors, ensure you use a vacuum cleaner or dry microfiber mop to remove as much debris and dust as possible. Since vinyl plank is laminate flooring, the aim is to minimize the use of water because it can cause mold to form, curl the tiles, or loosen the glue holding them in place. The ideal time to use water is when you're removing stubborn dried residue after removing the bulk of debris. The best option is using a dry microfiber mop in an S pattern for maximum effectiveness. If you don't have a mop, you can use a broom and dustpan, especially if the debris is in large pieces. You can also use a vacuum cleaner, but only if it's designed for hard floors. The best options are the lightweight types with felt or rubber wheels. Avoid those with beater bars because they will scratch your vinyl finish. Using wet mops. After removing all the dust and debris from the floor, use a cleaning solution and water to remove stubborn stains. Alternatively, you can clean these stains by hand if the area they cover is small. If you're using a wet mop, the safest choices are spin mops and microfiber flip mops. Avoid sponge mops with abrasive scratch pads. In terms of the cleaning solution to use, you can opt for products specifically designed for LVP floors, or a simple solution of vinegar to filtered water in a 1:5 ratio. If you use an LVP solution, make sure that you rinse using a fresh mop head after applying it, because the store-bought solutions have soap that leads to buildup. Rules to follow when cleaning vinyl plank floors. A summary. You need to clean the floor regularly. Ideally, it would be once a week, and this would include vacuuming or sweeping, plus gentle mopping. Use a spray mop if you have one. If you don't have it, use a damp mop and avoid too much water, as this can damage the floor. Ensure you have a pH-neutral floor cleaner during your cleaning as well. Avoid any spills, especially of acidic liquids like soft drinks, wine, liquor, and juice. If they spill, you must clean them up immediately. Make sure to use the correct vacuum type to clean the floor. Avoid a cleaner with beater bars, because it will damage the floor. Before buying, check if the vacuum cleaner is suitable for use on vinyl plank floors. The best choices are those with HEPA filters as well. Always apply felt tips to the bottom of your furniture, and avoid rolling, dragging, and sliding them on the floor. Avoid wearing shoes in the house, as this will make the floor dirty and harder to clean. What are some mistakes to avoid? When using the vacuum cleaner, avoid vacuuming the floor too fast. Instead, take it slowly to avoid the cleaner wheels from staining or scratching the floor. Avoid steam cleaners unless you're sure the floor is steam clean approved. Avoid scouring pads and steel wool because they will leave scratches. Don't use cleaning products that contain polish, oil, or wax. Don't use a vacuum cleaner that has a beater bar. Stay away from multi-purpose and all-purpose cleaning solutions because they can damage the flooring. Lastly, here are some answers to questions we have often received regarding cleaning vinyl plank floors. Are steam mops safe on vinyl plank floors? In most cases, no. This is because the steam mop will force moisture in between the planks, and that moisture will result in all sorts of problems, like weakening of the adhesive, creating a conducive environment for mold to grow, or warping. If you decide to use a steam mop, use caution when doing so by using it in a hot setting. This will allow the water to evaporate quickly. Additionally, don't linger on a specific spot, and avoid using it frequently. Also, do not risk voiding your warranty by failing to check the manufacturer's instructions before using the steam mop. Waxing. Is it necessary for vinyl plank floors? No, it is not. The best part about vinyl plank floors is their ability to stay beautiful without waxing, as long as you care for them properly. Wax is not recommended because it reduces the floor's shine and causes buildup. So there you have it. While cleaning vinyl plank flooring seems tricky, these guidelines show that it is easier than you might assume. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure to drop them below and leave a like on the video. Until next time.